Ladies and gentlemen, today, I want to talk about one of the most powerful tools we all have at our disposal: the words we say to ourselves. It's called positive self-talk, and it's more than just thinking happy thoughts. It's about how you speak to your mind, how you encourage your soul, and how you drive your actions toward success and fulfillment. Think about this. Your mind is like the soil, and your thoughts are the seeds. What you plant and nurture grows. If you constantly plant seeds of doubt, negativity, and fear, you'll harvest anxiety, self-sabotage, and a lack of confidence. But if you plant seeds of belief, hope, and resilience, you'll reap courage, optimism, and unstoppable strength. Positive self-talk isn't pretending everything is perfect. It's choosing to believe in your ability to overcome challenges. It's saying, "I've got this," when the odds feel stacked against you. It's replacing "I can't" with "I'll try." It's choosing to see setbacks as setups for comebacks. We all have moments of self-doubt. It's part of being human. But what matters is how you respond in those moments. Imagine standing in front of a mirror. The person staring back at you has overcome every hard day you thought you wouldn't survive. That person is stronger, wiser, and braver than you often give them credit for. Speak to that person with kindness. Remind them of their worth. Positive self-talk has the power to rewrite your story. When you tell yourself, "I am capable," your actions align with that belief. When you say, "I deserve happiness," you start making choices that reflect your value. When you affirm, "I am enough," you break free from the chains of comparison and self-criticism. Here's the truth. The way you speak to yourself determines the way you show up in the world. And when you show up for yourself, you unlock a potential you didn't even know existed. So today, I challenge you, no, I dare you, to take control of your inner dialogue. Be your own biggest cheerleader. Catch yourself when negativity creeps in and replace it with something empowering. Turn your "I'm not good enough" into "I'm getting better every day." Turn your "what if I fail" into "what if I succeed," because you can succeed. You will succeed. But it starts with believing it, saying it, and living it. The most important conversation you'll ever have is the one you have with yourself. So, make it one of strength. Make it one of belief. Make it one of love. You have the power to change your life, one positive thought, one kind word, one moment of self-belief at a time. Use it. Thank you.